Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. I am your Sharmili Padkar. Today's special recipe is Ladyfish Fry. Here we took some ladyfishes, cleaned and marinated with turmeric and salt, and kept it aside for 10 minutes. Now it's time to prepare masala. Add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 small lemon squeezed, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of corn flour. Mix this all ingredients together. Mix it well and keep aside for 10 minutes. Take a fry pan, pour some oil. You can use any kind of oil. Here I used olive oil. Now it's time to fry our ladyfishes. Fry until it becomes golden brown. It will be crunchy and tasty. You all will love this recipe, especially kids. Now it's ready. Serve when it's hot.